Stefan may look strong from the outside, yet behind that muscle sits a hidden risk from heavy training and steroids that can push a heart beyond its limit. Therefore, he went to a sports cardiology center to find out the truth. I break down the risk no one in bodybuilding talks about. Hit follow now and stay ahead. The first check was the simplest yet the most revealing, a blood pressure test. Most bodybuilders run 120 to 140, but his reading showed 116, a surprisingly low number for someone his size, creating instant relief for a second, but one clean reading doesn't erase the long-term risk. Next came the 12-lead ECG, a far more detailed than any smartwatch, measuring electrical signals from every angle to expose rhythm issues or hidden conduction problems. And his ECG came out normal for a high-level athlete training 7+ hours a week, therefore giving him another green light. But electrical normality doesn't guarantee structural safety. Then came the real test, the echocardiography, the scan that shows the heart moving in real time. The aorta is the main artery that carries blood from the heart to the entire body, and it's one of the first things cardiologists check. During heavy lifting, blood pressure can spike fast, and if the aorta is even slightly enlarged, it can tear or rupture. This deadly emergency is called aortic dissection, and it usually gives no warning. That's why they always measure aortic size in strength athletes. They checked his aorta first and it was normal, which removed one of the biggest silent risks, but the echo still had more to reveal. They inspected his valves with Doppler, confirming no leaks, no calcification and smooth opening. A good sign, but for strength athletes, the real concern is the left ventricle. Why the left ventricle? It's the main pumping chamber of the heart and the most powerful part of the entire system. This is the chamber that does the real heavy lifting. The left ventricle pushes oxygen-rich blood to the whole body, the arms, legs, brain and the organs, and it has to do this against high pressure. The right ventricle only sends blood to the lungs, which is low pressure job. That's why the left ventricle has much thicker muscle walls, and it's part of the heart that reacts the most to physical stress. Whether you train endurance or lift very heavy, this chamber shows the biggest changes. The left ventricle walls were thickened and placed him right at the borderline of hypertrophy, the kind of adaptation expected in someone who trains extremely heavy and uses compounds that increase cardiac workload. His heart contracted strongly in all directions, showing no weak zones, but functioning well today is not the same as safe forever. They even visualized his coronary arteries clearly, with normal origins, adding one more layer of reassurance. But the cardiologist ended with a warning that this entire process is detection, not prevention, because high body weight and PDs keep long-term cardiac risk elevated no matter how clean today's scans look. And so Stefan should add a couple of zone 2 cardio sessions per week, not for fat loss but for heart resilience. So the question is, when was the last time you got your heart checked? Don't forget to like and share with your friends.